Hello, it's TechTrailblazer. As in previous video, we learn how to write Python code to print hello world and Python code for the sum of two number. In this video we are going to continue the same series by writing Python code to find GCD. So, let's begin this session without wasting our time and going directly to the VS Code window. Click on New File and then click on Python file. A new window would appear. So going further with our project. To find the GCD of two number by using Python code. There are many ways to find the GCD of two number by Python. We would select any of them. In this project we would need to import few package. Packages are nothing but a way to organize related modules into a directory hierarchy. Packages help you manage and structure our code by grouping related functionality together. In this project, we only need one package, it would be math. Let's begin the code. As I inform you before, we need to import math package. To type import math and write the code to get the input for the user. As I said in the previous video, to get any input in Python we just need to write input and then the statement so that the other user will come to know what kind of data or input we are looking for. Let assign a variable for the input by type and equal to int open braces input open braces enter the number close braces and again close braces. Following the same method for the other input but by changing the variable. After this we would go to write the operation to find the GCD and assign a variable for it. To find the GCD we need to type variable name. I'm going to assign as GCD_result equal to math.gcd open braces a comma b close brace. After this we are going to write print line, so type print equal to open braces the GCD of an and b is equal to comma GCD_result. And then save the program with the name you are willing to. Here I am going to save the project with the name as GCD and run the program. Enter the following input required to run the program and then you are going to get the output. For me it's 2. Here I am going to end this video. So stay tuned.